This is going to be a very strange video because I have something here which has been puzzling me for some time. I got it from a neighbor and he also doesn't know what it is. I've got no idea what it is or what it's used for, and I'm just hoping that someone might recognize it and put me out of my misery. Anyway, let's go through a few of the features. First of all, these two clamps are mounted on this bar, which has got a slight flare on the end. Both sides are like that. Secondly, it's got this little wing nut here. If I loosen that, I can actually move it around like this, and I can also move it sideways as well. If I have a look at the top of the clamp, it's got this little feature here. I can move it around and then I can pull that in and out. So it sort of like locks it in place. And that bolt has also got a wing nut as well, so that is adjustable. And inside there is there's a spring inside there. It doesn't seem to work very well, but if I turn around and look at the other side, you can definitely see. And the most interesting thing is that there seems to be like a little ball fitting in there, so that apart from doing that, it can also twist in that direction. Looking at the whole operation, these clamps can go in and out like that. They can also go backwards and forwards, and they can also slide along this bar. It would be more useful if it had a clamp or something that I could clamp it to a table, stop it moving around like that. I can rest my soldering iron on it. I think I could also fix it to a shelf and hang stuff on it. It's certainly a very useful little tool to have. I can quite honestly think of 100 uses. Fits very nicely to the back of my lawnmower too. It also uses to hold two copper pipes together with a connector while I solder. I think it's most likely used for this. So if anybody knows what this is or knows what it's used for, please let me know. Thanks for watching.